Oh, hello guys, I didn't see you there. So today we might be exploring some... Wait, what's going on over there?
I see you try. You can't even hurt me. You're just a little ghost.
Okay, what's going on in here, you two? Inocs just insulted me, so I've taught him the hard way. Okay, but to be quite honest, I think you went a bit too far with the punishment, though. Wait, Inocs, what are you doing? Dude, no, dude! Inocs, what was that for? Oh, Jesus Christ, are you alright? That's it, Inocs, you're gonna get mega beaten because you just pissed me off! Oh, God. Here we go again. Inocs, come here, you bastard! Wait, you're gonna explode! Bullshit!